CBS News has learned that U.S. officials are confident that Iran shot down a Ukrainian jetliner in the hours after the Iranian missile attack on U.S. targets. 176 people were killed, including at least 63 Canadians. This information is based on U.S. intelligence, which sources say picked up signals of a radar being turned on. U.S. satellites also detected, we are told, 2 missile launches, which happened shortly before the plane exploded.
هواپیما آتیش گرفته. شهریار فردوسیه. بسم الله الرحمن الرحیم. خدای خود کمک کن. زنگ میزنم آتیشش